Is it time to buy or sell GD Culture Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into GD Culture Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 15th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since August 22, 2025, our system has ranked GD Culture Group as a hold accumulate, giving it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 162.26% since we first recommended purchasing GD Culture Group just 16 days ago. This translates to an average return of 10.14% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next direction as it could move in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong upward trend in the short term, with an even stronger rate of increase indicated. If there is any pullback, support is now established at the current trend level, broken at $5.77, which may provide a second opportunity for significant gains. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 54.79% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 42.86% to negative 8.22%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of about 50.70%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 69.38% to negative 30.20% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $2.98 and $6.79. Our latest daily update for GD Culture Group features the headline, High volatility in GD Culture Group Limited stock price on Monday, which concluded trading at $9.73. The GD Culture Group Limited stock price increased by 20.57% on the last trading day, Monday, the 15th of September, 2025, rising from $8.07 to $9.73. This marks 7 consecutive days of gains. It is rare for a stock to achieve such a streak, and minor declines should be anticipated. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 25.37%, ranging from a low of $7.85 to a high of $9.84. The price has increased in 8 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 138.77% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day, dropping by 92,000 shares, with a total of 581,000 shares transacted for approximately $5,650,000. It's important to consider that a decline in volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence, serving as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $9.84, while the lowest was $1.03. Currently, the price stands 1.13% or 11 cents below the 52-week high, and 80.92% or $41.27 below the all-time high recorded on December 8, 2021, when the price peaked at $51. GD Culture Group has been actively pursuing financing opportunities this year, launching several equity programs and funding initiatives to address a shortfall in NASDAQ equity and strengthen liquidity. The company established an at-the-market facility for up to $10 million, completed smaller private placements in March, totaling roughly $1 million, and announced a larger private investment in public equity deal, estimated at about $5,500,000. Additionally, they signed a significantly larger common stock purchase agreement that could allow for up to $300 million in share issuances to build a cryptocurrency reserve if fully utilized. These actions help mitigate an immediate listing risk, as the company received a notice from Nasdaq for failing to meet the minimum stockholders' equity requirement. However, they also introduce considerable dilution risk. In the short term, the incoming PIPE and ATM sales enhance the cash runway and reduce the imminent risk of delisting. Yet, these measures typically exert downward pressure on the share price as new supply enters the market and uncertainty surrounding pre-funded warrants and shareholder approvals remains. The long-term impact depends on execution. If the growth of cryptocurrency reserves and advancements in artificial intelligence catalysis generate genuine asset value and revenue, these funding raises could support recovery and a reevaluation of the company's worth. Conversely, if dilution exceeds value creation, shareholder returns may be permanently compromised. Analysts have given GD Culture Group stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for GD Culture Group. The GD Culture Group Limited stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should the stock experience corrections downward, support will be found at the levels of $6.21 and $3.98. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 14th of August, 2025, and since then, the stock has experienced an increase of 235.52%. Further growth is expected until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume declined on the last trading day despite rising prices. This divergence between volume and price could serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor this stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 22 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 131 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 123 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for GD Culture Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $8.07. Without support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk increases. A drop below this support could lead to a significant decline in the stock price. The stock may experience considerable fluctuations throughout the day. And with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.99 between its high and low, representing a change of 25.37%. For the past week, the stock recorded an average daily volatility of 21.14%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for GD Culture Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and raise concerns regarding potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for GD Culture Group. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, GD Culture Group encounters its first support level at $8.07. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for GD Culture Group from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 21st of April, 2023, when Wang Xiaojam conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. Our recommended stop loss is established at $9.47, representing a decrease of 2.66%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. The 14-day relative strength index is at 92, further elevating the risk involved. Notably, there is a buy signal derived from a pivot bottom that occurred 21 days ago. Is GD Culture Group stock a good buy? GD Culture Group Limited displays several positive indicators, but these do not sufficiently qualify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may wish to retain or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Based on our analysis of volatility and market movements from the last trading day, we have determined that the present price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 16th of September, we anticipate that GD Culture Group will open lower by 590 cents, beginning trading at $9.14. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decision should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.